Arro Card and Self-Lender help people build credit in two different ways, so the better option depends on whether you need a credit card or a structured credit building account. By the end, you'll know how Arro Card and Self-Lender work, how each one affects your credit building strategy, and what to compare before choosing. Arro Card works like a credit card, while Self-Lender uses a credit builder account structure designed to help create a record of payments. The biggest difference is how you use each product. A credit card gives you access to a revolving account that you manage through purchases and payments. A credit builder account focuses on making scheduled payments over time. Building credit depends heavily on payment history. Making every payment on time helps show lenders that you can manage credit responsibly. With Arro Card, your focus is using the card responsibly, keeping payments on schedule, and managing your balance. With Self-Lender, your focus is making the required payments consistently throughout the account term. Neither option instantly changes your credit score. Credit building products work by adding positive account information over time when payments are handled correctly. When comparing Arro Card and Self-Lender, check how each product fits your current situation. If you need access to a card for everyday spending, a credit card structure may make more sense. If you want a fixed payment approach, a credit builder account may be easier to manage. You should also review the costs before signing up. Compare any fees, payment requirements, and account terms to make sure the product fits your budget. Your current credit profile matters too. Someone with no credit history may need a different approach than someone trying to recover from missed payments or past credit problems. Before choosing either option, review your credit reports and understand what information is already affecting your credit profile. Arro Card and Self-Lender can both support credit building goals, but they work differently. The better choice depends on the type of account you can manage consistently. The key points are simple. Arro Card uses a credit card approach, Self-Lender uses a credit builder approach, and consistent on-time payments are what make either strategy work. Your next step is to compare the current terms for Arro Card and Self-Lender and choose the option that matches your credit goals and monthly budget. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit cards, credit scores, and building credit.